Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the one and the only Chikwado Space. How are you doing? How is work? How is everybody? Hope you guys are doing great. You are welcome to my channel once again. I welcome my old and my new subscribers. If today is your first day seeing my video, you are welcome. Just continue watching, and after watching, consider to subscribe to our channel. So guys, you are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome today. I welcome you all. I want to show you how I do this hair, how I achieve this hair. This hair is actually started since Thursday. I started this hairstyle, but because of the busyness, I have not finished it today. I want to finish it and show you the final look of it. So guys, if you are here, you don't know how to make hair, or you are learning, this hair will be an advantage for you. This hair, your daughter's hair, you spend money giving people money to make your daughter's hair. You will learn how you can put attachment if you are the type that use attachment on your daughter's hair. This method will benefit you a lot. Just pay attention and see how I do it, and you will like it. So it's not hard. It's not hard, just like where you are tying something. Understand? So only to bring out the hair and take the attachment and do as if you want to tie it near. After you tie it a bit, then you begin to plait the hair and go on. Just watch how I do it now. Just look at how I will do it. After watching this hair, you will not go and spend your money again giving people or you begin to look who will make my daughter's hair, who will do it. You begin to run up and down to look for someone to do the hair for you. So do you see how I do as if I'm tying it? This hair is very easy because by losing it, it will not take time. After you do as if you tie it 1 or 2 times, then you will shear the hair into 3 places and begin to take more attachment and add it. When you add it, you will be weaving it up. Just simple. And the main thing, it will be strong. It will not go out. It will stay as long as you want. So I hope you will like it. Just continue watching and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. So guys, you can see how I achieve it. I don't want the video to be too long, understand? So this is how the way, or how you follow and finish all the hair. It's not hard, just practice make perfect. You can learn it if you want. The money you can give another person, you can put it in your pocket and use it to buy another thing. So thank you so much for watching, and you will see now the final look of it. God bless you. Please, if you are here, you have not subscribed to this channel, consider to subscribe. Consider to subscribe and share our videos, because you don't know whom this may help. God bless you. Please comment in the comment section. Do you like it? This is a beginner friendly. God bless you and much love. Bye.